Hey, Robo. Are you helping the guys with the new building? Let's get rid of that old wall, Dane. Careful! Are you okay, Super Bulldozer? Oh no! He's gone crazy! He's creating a huge mess! You have to stop him, guys! Watch out! Phew! That was close! Oh no! Those rocks are blocking the way! Hurry up, guys! Oh no! Dane is trapped! You have to help him! Super Bulldozer is running away! But first, you have to help Dane. Great job! Now you guys can go after Super Bulldozer. Dane, can you take care of this mess? Great! Let's go! Oh no! Super Bulldozer is causing chaos in the city! He's out of control! You have to stop him before he hurts someone! There's only one way to do it. Guys, it's time to fuse. Robo Edna to the rescue! Now let's catch Super Bulldozer. Whoa, that was close. Watch out! Quick, Robo! Use your drill! Well done! You trapped him! Now let's take him to the hospital. Is he doing better, Amber? Welcome back, Super Bulldozer! Car City is safe again! Those are a lot of balls you have to take to the football field. But are they going to be safe from thieves? Oh, I see. Matilda is going to look over Troy. Off you go. What are you up to, Zitron? You can't steal the balls. Matilda is watching over them. Don't even think about it. Matilda! Zitron teleported on top of Troy! Maybe we should get Robo to help. Robo! Zitron is trying to steal the footballs! You thought it would be easy, huh? Is that all you got? He teleported again! Behind you, Robo! He's going to steal the footballs! That's great help, Troy! Zitron can't keep balance! Give up, Zitron! Robo! Watch out! He took out his Zitronic! Careful, Robo! Dodge it, Robo! Oh no! He blinded you! Robo! Are you okay? Evil Zitron is going to steal the footballs! This doesn't end here, Zitron. You have to do something! You can't let him escape! That's right! Matilda, do you want to fuse with Robo?
Hey!
Let's go! And the police siren! Time to catch Zitron! Stop right there, thief! Great save! Now, throw the handcuff lasso! Oh no, you missed! Car City is safe again! Now Troy can carry the footballs again!
Ha ha ha! Oh! Oh!
Anyone else wants to play?
Ha ha ha! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Woo! Woo! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
That's what you get for being a thief, Zitron.
What a beautiful fair this is. Great music. Having fun, Baby Rocket? Looks like Zitron is up to something. Oh no, that is the button that controls the speed of the Ferris wheel. Oh no, the Ferris wheel is going too fast now. Zitron has interfered with the Ferris wheel and it's going too fast. It's time for Robo, guys. Don't worry, Robo is here. Great job, Robo. Now you have to spin it slowly so that all the cars can get off. Be ready, Baby Rocket. You're next. Faster, Robo. Zitron is back. Oh, no. What are you going to do with that freezing ray? Robo, do something fast. That was close. Robo, the wheel. Are you okay, Baby Rocket? That noise is coming from the swings. Looks like Zitron is still at it. But where is he? There he is, in the hot air balloon. Go get him. Oh no, now you can't fly. You need extra powers. Any idea who to merge with? Those rocket legs from Baby Rocket will enable you to fly. Nice work, Robo. Now go get Zitron. Watch out, Robo. Faster, Zitron. The queue for the ice cream is getting longer. Looks yummy. Thanks for saving the day, Robo.
Hi, Rodeo. Hi, Booster. Craving some ice cream, huh? Hi, Carrie. These two are very hungry. Looks like someone is jealous. You should join in on the fun instead. What are you doing, Zitron? Be careful, guys! Oh no! The machine is going mad! Come on, guys! Time to fuse! So cool! Now let's stop the machine! Whoa! Hold on, Robo! Whoa! Robo, let's see where this is coming from. Well done, Robo! Oh no, Zitron is up to something bad again. Be careful, guys! Let's find Zitron now. Oh no, that's awful, Zitron. Quick, Robo, let's stop him. That floor is really slippery. Try to fly over it. We're going to need a new power to stop Zitron this time. Carries ice creams into a cannon. Awesome! Nice one, Robo! Let's see how it works. I hope you like strawberry! I think Zitron's still hungry, Robo. Well done, Robo! Zitron is gone and the town is safe again. Ooh, what a spooky Halloween! Yes! Have fun, play, and be scary. So much fun! Zitron, why don't you join the Halloween thrill? Ah! Is it a trick or a treat? Oh no! You turned him into a real vampire! Whoa! A real ghost and Dia de los Muertos tractor! Wow, that was a real scare. Time to merge, guys. Caution, guys! Ghost crossing! Walter! The ghost is about to get carried! Uh-oh! That sounds scary! Be afraid! Be very afraid! Robo! Help! Oh no! Robo, do something! You're about to get spooked! Uh-oh! The scary monsters are coming in! Don't be a scaredy cat! It's right behind you! Time to find Zitron! Ouch! That looks very painful! Double toil and trouble! You need handcuffs, Robo! Who will you merge with? Matilda's handcuffed boomerang and star missiles scared away the monsters. Oh, Zitron! Ready for a treat? Okay, maybe a trick. Looks like you got a Halloween gift. Your monsters have turned on you, Zitron. Come on, guys, get him! I think your moves cast a spell on them. Great job, Gary. Let's get the city clean. Now the next one. Look! What's wrong with that canister? That's so strange. Where is it going? Of course, it's Zitron with another one of his evil plans. Careful. He's stealing all the city's canisters to have more power. We have to stop him. That's right. Robo will help us. Good thinking, Gary. Robo, we need your help. Zitron has been using his Hoover to steal everything in the city. He's taking all the canisters. There he is. Zitron, stop what you're doing. You'll see. Robo, the canister. Yes, that was great. He's trying to escape. Chase him. He's stealing another one. Quick! You're amazing. Uh-oh. Careful, Robo. Zitron put his Zitronic at maximum power. I don't like how this looks. He's absorbing everything! You have to stop him, Robo! He wants the canister! Hold tight, Robo! His Zitronic is too strong! Don't blame yourself, Robo. You did your best!
Yeah!
He's getting away! What are we going to do? Huh? Oh, he's going to the plaza. He's going to take the power crystal to achieve maximum power. You have to do something, Robo. Of course. Great idea. Gary, do you want to fuse with Robo? Are you ready, guys? Now, go get Zitron, guys. Not so fast. You thought we were going to give up? Come on! You can do it this time, Robo! Yes! You did it! Oh no! Zitron is about to absorb the power crystal! He will steal all the city's energy! You must do something! What are you doing? There's no time to lose! What are you gonna do with that? Oh, I see! That was a great idea! You wanted to block Zitron's Hoover with the bat! It's working! You made it! The streets are clean now. Now, time for the trash. Keep it up, Zitron. That's what you get for being a thief. The city is safe once again. Wow, it's Shark Week. And look at those shark costumes. Barry, what are you going to do with that meat? Oh, I see. It's to feed the sharks in the canal. What is Zitron doing on Shark Week's celebration? Watch out, Barry! Barry, are you okay? Oh no! Look there! Be careful, Barry! The sharks are around you! What's that? Whew. Luckily, Bobby is coming to help you. Bobby, Barry needs your help! And look up there! Bobby, get Barry closer to the edge of the canal so Robo can get him out. Very good. Robo, it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, pull! Good job, guys. Barry is now safe. I think it's time to come back to the party. But what's that? Oh no! Zitron is dumping everyone into the canal. You must help them, guys. Zitron, stop right now. Oh no! Zitron threw Jerry into the canal! Watch out, Robo! Wow, very close. But where is Zitron? Behind you, Robo! Let him go! Oh no! Be careful, Robo! Robo, are you all right? This is not working. Zitron has thrown everyone into the canal. Guys, it's time to fuse. Bobby, do you want to merge with Robo to stop Zitron? Robo Bobby to the rescue! Watch out! Zitron has teleported again. Not again, evil robot. Watch out! Zitron is going to soak you again. Bullseye! And now to the rescue. Amazing, Robo Bobby! Stop, Zitron! Didn't you want to play with the sharks, Zitron? Run, Zitron! They're gonna catch you! Wow! It's Halloween in Car City. Barry, listen to your mother and don't move from here until Matilda returns. She will come back soon. What is Zitron doing here? Don't go with him. Zitron, Barry doesn't want to go with you, so go away. Remember what Matilda told you. Barry, don't do it. Don't go. He's gone with Zitron. You have to find him. Robo, have you seen Barry? He was with Zitron, and we can't find him. Maybe you can help her look for him. Let him go, Zitron. Good idea, Barry. Keep going, and probably someone will come to help you. Don't run away, Zitron. Zitron has just escaped. You have to find and stop him. Oh no! Watch out! It was a trap. Zitron is still here. Watch out, Barry! Oh no! Barry, are you okay? He is going to shoot another net! Very good! Oh no! It's impossible to win against Zitron that way! Dodge it! Quick! Dodge it! Oh no! He trapped you! But there is still a solution! Matilda, do you want to fuse with Robo?
Haha!
Now the real show begins. Oh no! He's going to use the super reactor again. Hang in there! You have no chance against Robo Matilda. Be careful! Another net! Amazing! Good job! Perfect! We should take Zitron to jail and get back to the party. So come on! How nice! Everyone at the party again. Guys, where's Barry? It was a joke! Look up! Happy Halloween!